tomatoes prepared this way are delicious. We will need 500 grams of tomatoes. Cut all of them in half like this. Then in the skillet, add butter to taste. Once the butter melts, add the tomatoes, placing the cut side down in the pan. Wait and fry for just 3 minutes. Meanwhile, in a bowl, add 4 eggs. Add a pinch of salt and beat. Add chopped green onions to taste and 100 grams of grated mozzarella. Mix well. Now just distribute it in the skillet over the tomatoes. Once that's done, cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll add a bit more grated mozzarella and parsley to taste. Again, we'll cover it and let it cook for another 2 minutes for the cheese to melt. It's ready. Look at how spectacular it looks. I hope you enjoyed this tomato and egg dish. Leave your comments below about what you thought. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any amazing recipes coming up. Now enjoy the result of our preparation and see you next time.